Good day everyone, we are from 3SMP1 and today we'll be presenting our Statement of Work and Master Services Agreement for Business Outsourcing referred for the Fresh Green Plate, a health-focused restaurant based in Manila. So our project mainly focused on digital presence management and technical support. So through this proposal, we aim to help the Fresh Green Plate strengthen its online presence, connect with more customers, and ensure smooth system operations, such as online ordering and cost management. So in this presentation, we walk you through the scope of services, objectives, deliverables, timeline, and budget summary of a project. So all designed to support the restaurant's digital growth and overall efficiency. So the purpose of this statement of work is to define the scope and deliverables for managing the Fresh Green Plate, digital presence, and providing technical support. So the main goal is to help the restaurant build a strong, consistent, and reliable online presence while ensuring smooth technical operations that support online ordering, marketing, and cost systems. So in short, this project will allow the Fresh Green Plate to improve its own visibility. It serves customers efficiently and it keeps all digital tools running smoothly. So now let's move on to the scope of work, which is divided into two major parts. So digital presence management and technical support and IT services. For digital presence management, our goal is to strengthen the Fresh Green Plate's online visibility and connection with customers. So under website management, we develop the maintained official website with features like online ordering, menu display, and contact for reservation forms. We also update it regularly with new promotions and events and applies SEO best practices for better online visibility. Next is for social management. We handle Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages. We create and the post brand online content, engage with followers, and monitor analytics to guide our content strategy. For SEO and online reputation, we optimize local search listings, respond to customers' reviews, and track keyword performance to improve reach. So, lastly, for influencer and campaign management, we collaborated with local micro-influencers and run promotional campaigns that align with seasonal launches, while providing reports to track performance. So next is technical support and IT services. So for technical support and IT services, our focus is to ensure that all systems are secure, stable, and efficient. Under post and system maintenance, we configure, test, and maintain the POS systems, integrate it with online ordering, and provide troubleshooting support. So for network and hardware support, we maintain reliable Wi-Fi connection that ensure all devices work properly through the maintenance check. So under security and backup, we implement backup systems that recovers procedures, data security, and protects sensitive information. And finally, for website and email hosting support, we'll manage hosting, domain renewals, and email systems to prevent downtime and for access issues. So this scope ensures that the Fresh Green Plate's presence and technical system work together to support business growth and customer satisfaction. So for deliverables, these are the outputs we will provide throughout the project. First is the fully functional website with online ordering that updated regularly. So second is a monthly social media content plan to complete with analytics reports. Third is the SEO and website analytics to track and keyword ranking. The technical support and maintenance report that summarize updated and resolved issues. And finally, influencers then campaign reports after every campaign showing engagement and reach. So these deliverables will ensure transparency and measurable progress throughout the entire project. So what are the roles and responsibilities? So it will be divided between the client and our team. So the Fresh Green Plate will provide brand materials, approve all contents, and give access system to review outputs and make timely payments. So meanwhile, our team will execute all digital technical services that ensure consistent system uptime and provide monthly reports and recommendations for improvement. So this clear division of roles ensures smooth coordination and accountability for both sides. So next is the timeline. So the project will begin on February 15, 2025. So the initial setup phase will take about 2 months, which include the launching the website and system. So after that, the ongoing services will continue for 10 months and the agreement will be renewed annually based on performance and results. So this timeline ensures that the setup and improvement are completed before moving to continuous operations. So budget summary. So for the budget summary, the total estimated cost for the 12-month project is 660,000. This includes that 42,000 per month for digital presence management, totaling to 504,000 for the year. So the 13,000 per month for technical support and maintenance is totaling to 156,000 per year. So any additional services such as system upgrades or special campaign design will be billed separately. So this budget covers the complete setup, management, and ongoing support of all digital and technical operations. So the acceptance criteria. So the project will be considered successful once the following conditions are met. So the website and POS systems are fully functional and accessible. So all social media accounts are active and consistently reflect the brand identity. There is a positive increase in online engagement and visibility. Next is the monthly performance reports are regularly submitted and approved by the management. Lastly, meeting these criteria ensures that the projects are successfully achieved. So for the review and reporting, our team will be conducting a monthly performance review with the Fresh Green Plates management. So there will be also the quarterly assessment of key performance indicators such as website traffic growth, system uptime, and also the issue resolution teams. So based on this result, we'll make sure that necessary adjustments and improvements to ensure the continuous progress and effectiveness. So for the duration and renewal, this statement of work covers a 12 months engagement and may be renewed annually upon mutual agreement and positive performance review. So this allows both parties to continue working together as long as the collaboration remains effective and beneficial. So to wrap up our presentation for scope of work, it is designed to help the Fresh Green Plate to build a stronger digital and ensure smooth technical operations. So, to Master Services Agreements, we will have Ms. Liana Alvarado to present that.
Good day, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Maria Liana Alvarado. Today, I will be presenting the Master Service Agreement, or MSA, between the Fresh Green Plates in a restaurant business based in Manila and 3SMP, the service provider. This MSA established the general terms and conditions for how both parties will be together or will work together, primarily for digital and technical support services. For the service provider shall perform the following: service delivery and availability. Service will be available during regular business hours, Mondays to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Critical issues such as POS or website downtime must be acknowledged within 24 hours. The service provider is also expected to maintain 99% system uptime, barring any force major events. And the purpose, all of this, is to maintain all the accountability, to confirm completion, ensure all output meet the Fresh Green Plate and standards and expectation. The performance management. First is the monthly performance review meetings. This refers to the scheduled meetings held every month between the Fresh Green Plate and the 3SMP to evaluate the overall performance of the services. During these meetings, both parties are going to do this: review project progress, service quality, and system update. Issue management. All issues logged and categorized by severity. This means that every technical or operational problem encountered during the service must be documented and recorded in an issue log. Each issue will be classified based on its severity. For example, critical, system outage or POS failures that stop business operations. For the change management, any change requires a written change request form. In a professional agreement like the MSA, no modification should be made verbally or informally. Any change, whether it is to the project scope, budget, timeline, or deliverables, must be properly documented through a change request form. The purpose of this one is to promote mutual consent and transparency, ensuring that the decisions are made collaboratively and that no unilateral changes are enforced. And for number 3, unauthorized work not compensated. If the service provider performs additional work without written approval, that work will not be paid for. The confidentiality, this is very important. This clause means that both parties, the Fresh Green Plate and the 3SMP1, are legally bound to protect all confidential information shared during the course of their business relationship. Neither party may share, copy, or distribute this information to any third party without a prior written consent from owner. The purpose of this one is to safeguard sensitive business data, maintain trust, and ensure that all information exchange remains private and is used solely for the purpose of fulfilling the agreement. For this one, for the intellectual property, the purpose is to allow the service provider to build credibility and market its services, while still respecting the client's confidentiality and ownership rights. For the payment of term, this clause encourages timely payment and protect the service provider from unnecessary financial delays. For the terms and termination, the purpose of this is to ensure a professional and orderly termination process, minimizing disruption to operation and maintaining good business relations. Immediate termination for unremitted breach for 10 days. the other party may issue a written notice requiring it to be corrected within 10 days business or 10 business days. For the limitation of liability, the purpose of this is to establish a fair and reasonable limit on financial responsibility, preventing excessive claims and ensuring the balanced risk between both parties. Governing law, simplifying the dispute process and minimizing the potential legal complication. For the force majeure, the purpose of this one is to protect both parties from penalties or breach of contract claims when performance becomes impossible or unreasonable due to unforeseen circumstances outside their control. And for the entire agreement, the purpose of this one is to ensure the clarity and legal certainty by confirming that the only written and mutually approved documents define the terms of partnership. By outlining the terms for performance confidentiality, payments, and legal compliance, the MSA protects the interests of both client and the service provider while promoting long-term collaboration. In summary, this agreement is more than a just document. It is a commitment to excellence, reliability, and continuous improvements. With both parties aligned under this MSA, the Fresh Green Plate and 3 SMP1 can confidently move forward towards shared success.